India, the land of greatness, the abode of everlasting peace, was once the educational hub of the world. Education was given through gurukuls, where acharyas taught both spirituality and practicality to their students. Such an education produced great scholars like Aryabhat, who gave zero to the world. The zero which marks the beginning of anything and everything possible to imagine. First known universities of the world, Takshila and Nalanda, were set up in India, where legendary teachers like Kautilya and Pani produced conceptually strong individuals. But afterwards, education started deteriorating, and today the students are conceptually very weak and study without much practical approach, as the burden of rote learning and all-over expectations seems to have stifled their creativity and dreams. And unfortunately, we have come from origin of zero to being zero ourselves. The stressed students are taking to crime, and number of cases of depression have skyrocketed. Our country is steering a total destruction.
Pathetic, isn't it? So what can we do? Most of us would be thinking right now that we can't change the world alone. We are helpless. Really? If we would be so afraid of making a small effort from our side, friends, mark my words, we would never be able to make a big change. Had it not been for the drops, the ocean would never have existed. So, are you ready? Are you ready to remove the negativities around us? Are you ready to change our world? Well, if you are, here's our change.
Literally, cornucopia is an ancient Greek word which means a goat's horn filled with fruits, flowers and grains, and it is the sign of prosperity and abundance. But for us, it means the abundance of positivity, energy and ideas. Our own ideas, the ideas that right now are sleeping and need to be woken up and fostered.
But how are we going to do it? Will we give you lessons? Will we teach you? Well, no, not at all. There is already a lot of coaching and teaching going on, isn't it? What we are going to do is to show you the pragmatic and fun side of learning
through virtual competitions. Students are going to be given virtual competitions in which they are going to use social media to put forward their views and ideas through creative presentations in which students would learn to represent their ideas creatively and differently. Through challenge and response in which students would be given a practical challenge and they would have to solve it in a limited time frame after they have been shown some case studies, etc. Through guidance, in which students would be introduced to fields that they do not know about and teach them to think big as well as how to handle their academics well. Through research introduction, in which students would be helped to publish their papers and attend seminars and meetings on the field they like. Through technology introduction, in which we will be organizing factory visits, showcase new products and the technology behind them, and teach them to garner their own ideas and generate revolutionary products. Through public speaking module, in which students would learn the art of speaking, voice texturing and stage etiquette to instill confidence in them. and make them influential orators through business learnings, in which the students would be introduced to various business models and strategies prevailing in the world and give them the real sense of entrepreneurship.
While doing our work, we would make it totally sure that we do not hinder your academic curriculum. In fact, we would try to work in total resonance with the current system and make you conceptually stronger.
Aurobindo had said that India is going to rule the 21st century, and we have the chance to prove that he was totally right. नजर को बदलिए, नजारे बदल जाएंगे। सोच को बदलिए, सितारे बदल जाएंगे। अब किश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत ना होगी। दिशा को बदलिए, किनारे बदल जाएंगे।